podcast. I'm your host, Kennedy Lusk, and today we will be talking about breast cancer prevention in the form of routine self-breast examinations. Jane, a young 22-year-old college student, went about her day like any other. She noticed some tenderness in her left breast, but didn't think much of it. That night, when she showered, she looked down to find red blood coming from her left nipple. She knew that this was a warning sign for something really bad. It was a sign of breast cancer. 1 in 8 women develop breast cancer. Anne Gillian, a breast cancer survivor and advocate for breast cancer research, expressed, "There can be life after breast cancer. The prerequisite is early detection." Many young college-aged women do not know what they can do for breast cancer to be detected early. Here at Women for Women, we educate and empower women to be your breast self by teaching you to perform life-saving prevention techniques on your own. Our Be Your Breast Self campaign takes place twice a semester on the campus of Brigham Young University, Idaho. At these events, we teach women 5 easy steps to perform a self-breast examination and the warning signs you need to look for. Our instructors will be present to demonstrate correct techniques and to provide guidance as well as to provide feedback to ensure that you are performing these self-breast examinations correctly. We encourage you to come more than once so you can eventually feel comfortable doing this on your own. We also recommend that you invite other women to attend. Jane wishes she could have brought her grandma to one of these meetings. Her grandmother wasn't aware of the warning signs. It wasn't until late that she knew she had cancer. While the cancer started in her breast, over time it spread to her other organs. Years of aches and pains thought to have come from old age turned out to be breast cancer. This example led Jane to one of our meetings where she learned for herself these warning signs. Unfortunately, she could not turn back the clock and educate her grandmother, but she could take charge of her own life by learning about early detection. And that's what we are inviting you to do today. Come to one of our meetings so you can learn for yourself. Thanks for listening, and just remember, learning these 5 easy steps could save your life. For more information, visit BeYourBreastSelf.com or find us on Facebook and Instagram at Women for Women.